UMGPT provides access to popular generative AI language models, including GPT-4 Turbo and DALL-E 3, in a user-friendly and fully accessible interface that is free to all U of M instructors, students, and staff. Log in to umgpt.umich.edu, select from one of the available language models, for example, GPT-4 Turbo or DALL-E 3 for generating images, and then enter your prompt. You can click the clipboard icon next to a response to copy it so you can paste it into another application. Chats are automatically saved, allowing you to continue the session later. You can also click the trash icon to delete it from your history. Or you can clear all your saved chats with one click. You can click the New Chat button to start a new chat session at any time. For more information about UMGPT and other U of M generative AI tools, visit genai.umich.edu or the ITS website.